Last night, this sniper bot went kind of crazy and caught this one winner here. And I think that's the name of the game, really. It's get one winner and a bunch of rug pulls. So it's a crazy game. Don't do it at home. It's a Solana sniper. And we built it over the past month all here on YouTube because I truly believe code is a great equalizer. So I show stuff even though I leak edge. Everybody else, they're not going to show anything. This man that we're chasing, Jim Simons, is the best algo trader in the world. We're chasing him. He's not sharing anything with you, bro. Smash that like button. Let's make sure we get these likes up today. I have so much to show you and go over. I personally need to go over it myself, so I go over it with you. You can see here that this Solana sniper caught this 100x. You can see it went up like 14,000%. So that's dope. And the way our settings are essentially is it scans all of the new tokens here on Bird Eye, and Bird Eye is where all the degens are right now because the volume is on Solana. This will not last forever. I want to be super clear of that. This will not last forever. Don't do this at home. This is risky business. But we built a bot that was able to buy these tokens, or is able to buy these tokens. I have it running on my server now. That's why you don't see it over here. But we're gonna make some huge updates today. But first, we have to go over some things. I need to show you what it does first off, and then I need to show you some of the things that happened last night. You can see, like, for example, this token went up 2,000%. This token went up 1,300%. Don't do this at home. This is not gonna last forever. You have to be super, super careful with this. I need to make that disclaimer. This seems like a get rich quick, but it's not, because if you think about it, you're not catching all of these tokens. So even if you catch the 1,200% or whatever I caught yesterday, 37,000%, even if you catch that, remember, this sniper is buying a bunch of tokens, right? So it's buying like, I don't know, 50 tokens, 100 tokens per day. And if it gets rug pulled on 95 of them, and breaks even on 4 of them, and has 100x on 1 of them, you got to do the math there. It's not amazing, but it's better than just chilling. So I wanted to make that disclaimer extremely clear that this is not going to last long, but it's going crazy right now. So essentially, this bot looks at all the brand new launches on Solana. Solana is where all the volume is right now. I don't know why anybody would be focused anywhere else, but you know, everything I do, I show here on this channel. So you can see it picked up this token here, which is cool, but it also had a lot of losers. And then I had a really weird thing happen. So I'm going to get into that. We're going to do some updates today. I have, let's make a to-do list for today. Every single day at 7, or actually next week it's going to be 8 a.m., but 7 a.m. Eastern. 7 a.m. Eastern until Sunday, and then it's 8 a.m. Eastern. Shoot. It might even be 7, I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and stream every single day for the rest of the time I am algo trading. To automate your trading, it's actually quite simple. And I have this system here. And let's see if I can find it. Here it is. This is how you automate your trading. In case you're curious, I needed to automate my trading because I was way too emotional, and I was trading with my emotions opposed to my strategy. You know, you might have a good trading strategy, but what happens if you're a human being like you probably are? Well, you don't get enough sleep last night, or you got something to do tomorrow, or you know, you have human things to do. You gotta go to the bathroom, you miss a trade. Well, the solution to that, if you have a good strategy, is to use the RBI system to automate it. So you research trading strategies. If you already have a strategy, then that's great. Move on to backtesting. But if you don't have a strategy, a lot of people don't have strategies. Go to YouTube, Google Scholar, what you're doing right now. You can find tons of strategies. But then the key is to backtest it to make sure that it worked in the past. If it worked in the past, it's much more likely to work in the future. It's not guaranteed. You implement it to a bot with small size that you don't care about. You'll see this bot that we're going through here today, this sniper bot, is actually derived from the RBI system because I spend all of my time here researching, backtesting, implementing, and then I come across different ideas like this Solana sniper. So it's a pretty simple process, and it will lead to good things. And I'm fully focused on it until I catch up with this man. So we'll be here for a while. Let's be honest. We'll be here for a while. As long as you keep smashing that like button, we keep running up these likes, I will keep coming back every single day and showing you every single piece of code. All right, so the things I want to do today, I'm going to just jump right into it. I think that was enough of an intro. You understand where we're at now, right? We built a sniper bot. Now we're updating that sniper bot. I had a bunch of notes last night. I did a little bit of work without you. I'm sorry, dude. I had to. It was hot. Things were hot, and I had to build. I'll update you on these things. First off, I updated the ask bid. So now I have 2 files running. It's a little faster. Build a separate bot that, let's see, actually, what did that say? This is my time. So yeah, I fixed that. So I moved it to a server, and I added a new funky funk, or a new script to run at the same time. So I don't have to call the positions every single time. It's faster, but I might have broken it, because while we did catch 100x last night, I woke up this morning and it wasn't as good, and I have no USDC left, so I don't know what happened. So essentially yesterday, if we look at, well, we'll get to that later. I think I had like a balance of, shoot, what did I have yesterday? A balance of main with AI. Let's go to the top here. I was kind of tracking it. So where's my balance at? I had 192 at one point 3 days ago. I think I'm at 150 now. Or I had 171 yesterday. And I went up to like 240, 250 with the 100x. It sold twice, because if you look at our config here, what happened was it went so ham, it hit a 30x. But then if I put $2 in, so 30x on $2 is about $60. It didn't get out quick, so it got out at 70. And then it sold 70% of that. So whatever 70% of that is, like, I don't know, 22 is left over. So we had 22 left over. But then that again went to our threshold of 60. So it sold it again. So, I took in $130 off $2 plus had some left. So it was like $2 to 150, and I am shamelessly now seeing my math. It was only a 75x. So I'm going to change the title right now, because I don't want to be a big capper. I'm going to change it to 75x, because the title says, it says 100x, but really the way my configurations are, no, F it. It's going to say 100x. That's cleaner. No, I'm going to say 75x, because at the end of the day, it's 75x. It did move 100x, just my configurations didn't allow me to capture all that. You see what I'm saying? You can see how much it moved, but we bought down here, and we was like sell 1 here and then sell 2 up here. So if my configurations were a little different and I changed this to 100, sell when it hits 100 or 99, then it would have actually been 100x. I guess I just did the math with you, and it was more like a 75x. Okay. Boo-hoo. Again, we're still in testing mode, B. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I show you everything I do. The RBI system, people think that you come to algo trading and you just blow your whole load on one bot. No, bro. You've seen me here for a month building this bot out, and now I'm still I started testing with $1, and then it showed some good signs, and I moved to $2. That's crazy. That's like, that's why I actually do what I say, $2. I don't care if I lose $2. Now, this bot uniquely has up to 50 positions, so I could lose up to 100, but I also don't care if I lose $100. Blessed AF, I understand that. And I hope this is helping people. At least learn how to code. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Well, we need to build a function that sends a winner. We're not going to do that. Trash. Not doing for now, unless somebody has the code for that. I'm going to look through it maybe a little bit more. I have a homie that sent me some code, and it might work. We'll look into it. So I'm going to say maybe. I'm not spending 2 hours like yesterday. I spent 2 hours trying to figure that out yesterday. Couldn't figure it out because I am Still not the best in the world, of course. This man is the best in the world. I'm okay with not being the best because I know that I'll come back every single day, dude. I'll be here every single day. Another thing to make this faster, but don't know if it's needed, is to split into a third script that constantly scanning new tokens, but it only takes 10 minutes and the bot could use a break. So I don't think I'm doing that today because I kind of talked myself out of that in the same sentence. Okay. I want to go ahead, build a separate bot that trades pop-in tokens with simple strategies like SMA, RSI, and demand zone. Good. All right, let's go ahead and think what else we want to do. Well, I think I'm going to take a hack at implementing Radium. I think that would be interesting because a lot of the tokens we just can't buy, and since this is showing some decent stuff, then I want to take a hack at it. What happened to all our USD? I feel like I got hacked. I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet, dude. I'm trying to show you everything along this way. Good, bad, ugly. I have 0 USDC left, and I don't know why. I think I got hacked, but let's go ahead and just look at that first. Okay. No, I don't think I got hacked. I think I just messed up something in my bot, and now it overbuys things. So Silly Goose is the one, but you can the winner that I was just showing. USDC, you can see it's at 293, which when I went to bed it was like 120, and I don't have more tokens. So I think my bot, when I updated it and split out the tokens, I think it just overbought things. I don't know. I don't know, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and just open up all of these transactions here so we can just investigate this. You can see I also added something nice here that is giving me a lot of broken transactions, and I'll tell you why. So you can see this just got back $1.08. Okay, that's fine. These are just errors because I started to spam my orders. So the reason I started to spam my orders is to get the orders through faster. So instead of making 1 buy order, I make 5. I go boom, 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 boom. That's only on exits though. Only on exits. On entries, I don't want to do that or else I'll overbuy. All right, these are a bunch of spam orders, but I mean, that's a lot actually. It's a lot. So I think this might be leading us to what happened here. Wow, okay. So how much soul do I have left? This is literally first look for me. So I saw that I had no USDC left, and you know, that sucks, but whatever. I want to figure out why. That's what I'm more curious about. That is what I'm more curious about, dude. So let's go over to the MoonDAV wallet here. And okay, that's interesting. I have no USDC left. Bro, I have $2.93 USDC left. This new, oh, and my Solana, okay, dang. Okay, we're gonna figure it out. My Solana is a 0. I think this spam thing is bad. What is it trying to spam though? Like, why is it? Oh, for $2, MoonDAV 2 for $2. Let's just see what happened. I think at some point I must have just tried to buy the same token over and over again. I mean, clearly right here you can see these are a ton of orders. This used all my soul last night, so like $10 in soul. So there's gonna be a ton of pages that we're gonna go through. Unfortunately, but this is the name of the game, and I made an error last night, and that's what happens. But that's also why I love this game, because like I don't have to go to my boss and be like, yo boss, I effed up last night. I just have to go to MoonDAV and be like, yo MoonDAV. I have to go to you guys, honestly. And just, I gotta go show my face what happened last night. You hit 100x. What happened after that? I got cute with it. That's what happened. I got cute with it. That's all that happened. From MoonDAV to this, what is that? $4.2 USD. I don't know. I'm not very good at reading this stuff, but transfer. What are these transfers? These are transfers to me though, right? these are like some spam transfers or something. That not my spam. 8 hours ago. Yeah, so I severely hurt my bot last night by making that change. And I think, okay, so what happened? Splitting the positions, let's say splitting the script licked me. Pretty much got liquidated. Not actually, because I still got 145 in the wallet, so that's fine. Like, at least I don't have 0 left, you know? I'm just curious. I need to know what happened. And when did it happen? So you can see 8 hours ago. What was 8 hours ago? So that was midnight? Yeah, I was fast asleep. I was fast asleep. Let's keep going back. These are still probably, I wonder what they're doing though. To Moondev? This is a transfer. But that would be, a transfer is just like a buy, right? So are these BQ? Yeah, BQ. I'm sorry, I'm still learning how to read through these as well. I mean, I get it kind of, but I'm sure I'm missing things. So, you know, this is part of the process. I'm trying to show you everything, dude. I'm trying to show you everything. Okay, so here, these all three work. So I bought shake. I bought more shake. I bought more shake. Dang. Okay, I see. That's the problem. So why did it keep buying shake? I got it. So splitting it, because when buying, I need to pull the fresh data, but when selling, not so much. Okay, so the way I split the scripts, I split them so it's like one is checking positions all the time and checking the balance, and one is checking the it's just doing the bot, right? So I think what happened is, I wish I could see the time on these. Okay, yeah, there it is. 417, 417.16, 414.46. And this is 414. 14, 18. And this is minutes, right? So this is 4 seconds later. So it's 4 seconds later. 14, 46, 18. Okay, so it looks like my bot just broke, or not broke. I've messed it up. I messed it up. But that's okay, because we here. We're still live. We caught 100x last night, so it saved us. And maybe we'll get to those transactions. So it looks like it just constantly bought this token, and this token probably went down. Because remember, we're only buying $2 worth of tokens. So this probably like went down, and oh, it's going up. Interesting. Oh, okay. So we're probably buying up in here. Let's see, what time was it? March 8th, so it's 8th. It's tricky with all this different time zones. I don't want Atlantic Standard Time because that's trash. The most trash time zone in the world, to be honest. Like, why just pick? Are you East Coast or are you AST? And why is it different? So you can see it buy shake over and over and over again. Let's see if it did it for some other token as well. I'm going to try to think of a more robust way to do this. Oh, I got a good way. Just pull positions when buying. Just pull the positions for the one token we buy to make sure we get to the right amount, but not more. That's it. That's all. And that will be quicker if we just do it with that position. Let's see what's going on with this shake. Should we YOLO it and just let it ride? No, we shouldn't. That's the answer, Moon. That's the answer. See that? Like, I'm a human being. That's literally why I algo trade, is because a human being's like, oh, it's broken. Well, this could go up. I'll keep an eye on it during the stream though. Is this it? Yeah. Wait, shake is swap? What the F is this? B. Shake is swap. Oh, shake swap. Okay. What is shake swap? Look at this. Look at this human emotion coming out of me right now, being like, oh shoot, I already got a position in here. My bot broke, so let's ride. Let's let it ride. That is why humans can't trade, dude. Humans cannot trade because of that reason, because MoonDev is showing you every single day, whenever I get into like a human decision, my human decisions aren't good. They're not. They're only good when like away from the trade. Okay, so shake is that it looks like you just kept buying. So 14, 413, 413, 10. So every like 15 seconds, maybe 5 seconds in some cases. Let's go ahead and see how much we bought. We bought a lot, obviously. We bought our whole stack here. Just gonna keep looking at these buys, see if they're all for shake. So shake, 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 two shake, shake. This is shake. This is shake. This is shake. All right, so I guess we're shake bulls now. We are shake bulls. Shake, 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 shake. And that's why all my transactions are now not working. Okay, so 4,500. Look at this. We probably bid this up ourselves. Oh my God. Oh yeah, what time was that? This was at 6 a.m. It went crazy. But what time was this? This was 4:10. Oh my goodness, we were buying on this bar. That's what happened on my USDC. So we hit 100x last night, but then the bot went crazy, or I went crazy. I made some changes to the bot to make it faster, and that pretty much wrecked us because the bot went crazy and bought all of these shakes over and over again at this bar, which is, you know, I'm not mad at the timing. You obviously get it down here, it'd be better, but whatever, it is what it is. So we're buying at this bar. If it was just $2, then it would have gone up 167%. We wouldn't have exited and it would have gone down, but we'd be down $1. You see what I'm saying? So while we hit 100x, I want to be super authentic with you guys and show you the bads and the goods. I hit 100x last night, but then my bot went, I made a mistake. I personally made a mistake and made the bot go crazy. So now we're back down, and that's fine. That's fine with me, and that's why here in this process of automating your trading, I say with small size. Like I'm not hurt. I'm not hurt this morning because of that. I'm sad. I'm sad that I can't like report to you 100x and have my balance be 250 or 300 instead of what it was, or at 146, but whatever. We ride, baby. We ride. We just keep going. We just keep going every single day. You can't stop us. It's me and you, dude. It's me and you. Every single day. Every single day. No matter what. We are here. As long as you tap the like button, I'll keep coming back. I'll deal with the haters if you hit the like button. The like button gets me to deal with the haters. I get so much trash in my inbox. I get so many haters. It's so crazy. Literally nobody in the world is sharing this information, but there's still like unhappy people out there that try to bring you down. So as long as you smash that like button, I know that somebody likes this. And if people like this, and I'll keep going, and I'll take it on the chin. I'll take it on the chin. So you can see it's still buying shake. So I wonder how many times it bought shake. Well, I can tell you, it probably bought it about 60, 70 times. Because I had like I think I had 110 in USDC left over. All right, so I wonder why that happened. Is there something different about shake maybe? It's a 9 decimal, looks fine. I'm gonna look on my bot right here. I've got it open on the side. Unfortunately, I can't really show it because I can't expose my IP, but let's see. I'll bring it over. I'll run it from here as well later. Don't worry. Don't worry, dude. What is the name for this? Not the name, the ending. WUV. So it looks like we have $29 of shake left. So, and that seems about right. You know, if we're down 60% on that one, and if we put in like 100, I guess. Yeah, sounds about right. Okay, 4,000. All right, so at least we found the problem. Well, I mean, I don't know if we found the problem. We know what happened, but what is the problem? How did this happen? I'll have to look at the code. I want to keep going though and look through all of these transactions till we get to the end of this massacre here. I need to put more SOL in my account. I need to put more. No, I don't need to put more USDC. I'll just remove some of that shake from it. Get rid of this shake, B. Nobody likes shake. Roll one up for me with the shake. All right, still on shake. This shake is the reason we got licked last night. This is sad day, but we are gonna keep moving, and we still have enough in our account that we're Gucci. Okay, so it looks like we changed here, but look at this. It did it again for this. Okay, so I think this is going to be a good solution. Essentially, I'm not going to call the whole get positions. I'm just going to get the position for the actual token when buying. On exiting, it doesn't matter if I oversell because it'll fail. It'll fail. So it looks like Penga bought twice at least as well, probably more. No, it looks like it's now different stuff because, oh, nope. Yep, same error with Penga. So I made a bad move last night separating these out. Well, not bad. I think it's a good idea. It's just I did it without, I shouldn't do things before I go to bed, essentially. I think that's a bad play. Don't make big changes before you go to sleep. That's the thing, because Penga did the same thing. And what happened to Penga? I mean, this could have turned out really good too. So, you know, I'm not tripping. Penga pretty much a rug pull. So that's what happened to our cash last night. 100x. Let's get to the 100x so I can at least show that it did something good. You know, let's see if we can find that. I think it was about 10 hours ago. No, what was that? I went to bed. It's probably like, I don't know. We'll see. Go ahead and tap that like button though, because nobody's gonna show you the bads. Like I showed you, I'm about to show you the good, but I also show you the bads, and I think that's super important, dude. If people don't show you the bads, then it's just caps. Penga. Motherfrickin' Penga. Who is Penga? This is funny. A funny Moondev mistake. Another one. Another Moondev mistake. Every single day I come in here and I make mistakes. It's okay though. It's okay to make mistakes when you're algo trading, because I mean, it depends. If you're gonna be crazy and go full size before you know something works. And this is essentially backtesting what I'm doing, because it's not really backtestable. So I'm essentially backtesting right now, seeing if it works. But I just implemented a small size, so I'm not gonna die. All right, let's see if we can get here. I think I'm gonna also chill out on the cells. Do 3 instead of 5, just because I see they're going through not too slowly. Let's go ahead and keep going here. Let's keep opening all of these transactions up because we want to see all of them. And then maybe I'll do a reset. I don't know though, because that reset killed me the other day. Reset meaning clear all positions, but that reset killed me. I had that Joe one, the Joe Biden or something, whatever it's called. And when I did my reset, essentially cleared out all positions. Dang, that was just a fatal error yesterday. Okay, here we go. Now we're back in the USDCs at least. Okay, this is a different token, B Doge. Oh, happened with B Doge as well. Cabron, B Doge. I lit it up last night. Okay, that's at least selling. Okay, so here is GOO. This is the second sell of GOO. You can see it sold. So I put $2 in, and it got 51 back on its first sell, or second sell. Here's just get rid of. Here's another get rid of. Just buy, regular buy. Get rid of. So you can see that last one did well. And then here's the first sell. So it's 70.64. Literally put $2 in and got 2 sales out of it and still have 30 bucks worth of it. That's pretty crazy, B. That's pretty crazy. And I give you all of the building blocks for this in the bootcamp. The bootcamp is where I teach you step by step in short, concise videos, not long ones like these. These are my daily work. But if you're trying to automate your trading, there's no better way than getting a mentor. And that's what I am. You know, I create these videos step by step to show you how to automate your trading, even if you don't know how to code. I did not know how to code either. I was scared to learn how to code because I thought it was just for the smartest people in the world. And it's just not. It's English, bro. So I walk you through in a very down-to-earth way, you know, short step-by-step videos from a regular person, not like somebody who went to Stanford or Harvard. You know, no disrespect to them, congrats to them, but you know, I was not qualified for that. You have support in the Discord, so anytime you have any questions, I have my team of quants in there that can answer any questions for you. We put new strategies in there for you. The whole bootcamp shows step by step how to automate your trading, even if you don't know how to code, because I teach you how to code. I give 7 algos in the boot camp. There's 100% money back guarantee. Always, always, always. You can see people that are crushing it with the boot camp. You can learn a little bit more about me. The thing that really got me to spend my time on this was like, okay, I need to remove my emotions from trading. I need to do that. Like my stack is too big now. I need to get the emotions out, or else I'm going to lose my money. And the only way to do that was to automate my trading, but I didn't know how to code. So it's like, you know, what can I do? Can I spend some time to learn how to code? And best case scenario, I'm able to automate my trading, which happened, which is awesome. But worst case scenario was the average developer makes $100K per year in the US, and that's pretty chill. So the bootcamp is 69 bucks, pretty inexpensive. And then what I was trying to get to here is you just saw these crazy wins. Now it's not going to happen every day. It's not going to happen forever. But right now it's happening. So I give you all the building blocks for building your own sniper. I don't just feed you my sniper. I don't just like say, hey, go run this. I give you the building blocks and step-by-step videos in the sniper course that show you how to build your own sniper, because your ideas are probably better than mine. I just have my experiences. I grew up one way, you grew up a different way. You got different ideas, B. Go ahead and see what all the members have to say about the boot camp. Feel free to jump into the Discord as well. I'm not trying to pitch this too hard because I don't really care if you join. It's just you might be asking right now, how do I get access to this stuff? This is crazy. Or how do I automate my trading? It's all in the boot camp because I can't show the same thing every single day. I just can't. I can't go and repeat like that. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead, and if you want to join that boot camp, do it soon. It's not going to be here forever. So we got those 2 winners. Okay, great. And then that's when, around this time, what time was that UTC? 2200. So like 9:57. I actually changed it after this though. What is that? 1600. So 4 p.m. Yeah, that sounds about right. At about 4 p.m. we got our first big win. I was like, okay. Well, it's actually not our first big win, but of this batch. And I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna make this even better. And then I made it worse. Oh, that's so typical, Moon. That's so typical. All right. So now we know what the problem is. Let's go fix it. And that's what we do here every single day, dude. We find problems and we fix them. Okay, so I'm gonna stop my server so I can run it here. The problem is you can't run it. I mean, you can, but I'm running it on a server now. So it's, okay, I see what's going on. All right, so the reason I can't run it on both at the same time is because when you're pulling positions, I think there's a throttle on it. So this is, all right, we need to get some more SOL in our wallet actually. So I think that's first things first. How do we do that though? Oh, I know how to do it. Tap the like button and it adds SOL to my wallet. USDC, I have $2 worth. This mofo really hits 100x and then blows it. So funny, so funny. And I don't have enough SOL in my wallet to make a change. Yo, does anybody want to be a absolute thug and send me like 50 cents of SOL? If you send me 50 cents of SOL, no, don't send me 50 cents of SOL. Don't do that. I'll take my time here. I need to jump on to, wait, where do I even get SOL from? Damn, this is gonna take a second. This is gonna take a second. This is gonna take a second. Wait for the transaction receipt. They don't have that? Do they have that? Yeah, no, don't do that, Trent. And thank you. That's exactly why I was like, actually don't do that. Don't send me SOL because I don't want you to have to be in the position to reveal your addresses. But thank you. I know you would send me some. I appreciate you. Okay, so let me just do that. I need to figure out where do I have SOL? Damn, this is so silly of me. I really effed up last night. I really effed up. It's all good. It's all good, fellas. We'll be back. We'll be back with it. We'll be back with it. I need to think of a faster way to get SOL in this wallet. Okay, smash the like button. Let's run this up. This is crazy. I'm about to show you some crazy stuff. So I would have implemented that thing yesterday where it buys more SOL automatically. That would have been smooth. That would have been a smooth move. I didn't though. So now we gotta go the long way. It's okay. That's okay. I'll be back. I'll be back at it. Let's okay, I can't do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna send some SOL. That's all I'm doing. That's all you're doing, Moon. That's all you're doing. Come on. You got this, buddy. That's all you have to do. Just send soul. Send the soul. I'm gonna buy a little soul. Okay. Swivelity swap. Hibbity hop. Then I'm gonna deposit the soul. So how much did I just cop? Not a lot, not a lot. The reason I don't want to put a lot in there is because of what happened last night. What happened last night? Imagine if I had like a ton of soul in there, it would just go forever. Nah, you gotta have soul in order to, Keith, you gotta have soul in order to make a trade. And I'm out of soul. So it'd be like that sometimes. But it's okay, we're almost there, Now I just need to shoot it on over, and then we'll be back in business. Back in business. That's it right there. That's it. Now I'm just gonna send it. I should probably build that. I don't remember why I didn't build it. If running low on soul, buy more. Nah, I don't want to implement that because then I would really get licked. You know? Because then it will use everything. It will use all my USDC as well. We don't want that. Moondav. Where's my authenticator at? Two seconds away until we're back. Sorry for the interruption. I really do everything on stream. Except last night. I wasn't able to do one trade. I mean, I have enough in here now. It should be here. Should be here now. There we go. It's really wild. I don't understand why. I don't understand why. I don't understand why I wasn't able to do one trade. I love gas fees, bro. Gas fees are my favorite. So I think what I'm gonna do here is, dang, we got wrecked, B. All right, let's go ahead and run this to see how wrecked. No, not yet. I need to get USDC in here. So let's get rid of those tokens that I bought too many of. And how do we do that? I'm just gonna do it by hand right now because I could run the bot and have the cleanup function go, but I don't know if I'm ready to do that. I'm gonna take a huge L on Penga. I'm gonna just sell all of it, get out of here. I don't want it anymore. Took a huge L on it, and that's fine. 1.62. Watch Penga be the next like moon bag. I sold all of it just because I'm mad at it. Shake, you're out of here too. I don't want you. I don't want you anymore. I'm sorry. I'm gonna save $2 worth though. I'm gonna save $2 worth. Just in case. See that? That's FOMO. That is FOMO. That is FOMO right there because I'm a human being. All right, now we should have some Tokis. All right, we're Gucci now. So we got Sol, we got less tokens, and we got 40 USDC. Did it happen on another token too? Silly Goose. I'm gonna keep that Silly Goose because it's been printing. But my Reddit round tripped. Luckily the bot took 70% profit. So I had one called Reddit and it went crazy the other day. It hit profit, took 70%, and the 30% was still like at 30 bucks or something. I think it was another like big win. I don't remember how many X's, but it took 30%, but now it's round trip back to $5. It's interesting. And now my wallet, which you'll see here in a second, has like 130 or 120 in it. So 100x to a huge flop, and it'd be like that sometimes. But now we know. Now we know. Okay, so first I'm gonna figure out what's going on here. So what happened to the USDC? We split it. So when buying the positions, but not more. Okay, so I tried to make it super speedy. I only got one bot, Keith. I have only been running this one that I've been showing you. I mean, I have other trading bots, but this isn't really a trading bot. This is more like MEV. So I've only got one Solana sniper. I just moved it to a server so I could close my computer because she needed a break. She's been going hard for the last month, and I wanted to give her a full night's sleep. She hasn't got a full night's sleep in months. So I did it for us, dude. I did it so the stream could be good, so she could take a sleep. She hasn't slept in a long time. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we're doing this main.ai here. And then buy, market, buy. Oh, it's waiting 3 seconds to buy. That's the error here, because the other thing takes more than 3 seconds. So this gets position here. And this fetches wallet holdings. But now wallet holdings are just that. So I want to update this function. Update the above function so that it also takes in, or make a new function. Make a new function based on the above function that also takes in a token mint address, and then only does the ask bid part for that token mint address. No, I don't agree with that, Keith, but I don't agree with a lot of things you say, so that's fine. I think that this bot has been running for 30 days and it was super stable. Actually, I kind of do agree with it. Like, the reason I can't have the split script on my computer is because I don't want to have my computer running. So with two Visual Studios. So I appreciate you being compliant in HR. I do. It makes me think of things through. I just don't think that we have the same risk tolerance. Because I'm okay with losing $40 in order to like move forward, and I feel like this moved it forward a lot. Like, you should see how fast. You'll see it in a second how much faster it is. But I'll be back in the chat here soon if you want to leave me questions. I hope that we smash the like button. So instead of sending back all of the tokens in the DF with the prices, we only send back the one that one of the token mint address. Come on, baby girl. All right, we're gonna refresh you. Ooh, hello, regenerate. Tap that like. Let's get up to 30 likes, dude. If you get up to 30 likes, I'll show you everything. Token mint address parameter and return the details of USD for only that specific. You can adjust the function as follows. This version filters the data frame for the specific token mint address, okay, before calculating the USD price. That's all fine. If not empty. Wow, I have no idea how this line of code works. Here, we do not filter. We do not need to filter by above 2 since we're querying for a specific token. So just let's learn a little bit because this is some crazy stuff, B. Please. You know, it used to intimidate me when people would say you're never done learning how to code. Like that made me not want to code because I was like, dang, you're 10 years in, you still don't know what you're doing. But you see, like I still don't know how to code. I know how to code, but like some things I don't know. Imagine you have a piggy bank with different kinds of coins in it and you want to know how much is in the red coin. Bruh, specifically. First, okay, so, all right, let's focus on the specific line of code to break down this, especially the Lambda part. Imagine your piggy bank now only contains special coins from Redland. You want to convert their value from Redland dollars to Candy Shop dollars. You've got a friend who knows the exact exchange between Redland dollars and Candy Shop dollars. The line of code you're curious about does something similar. Checking the piggy bank. First, we make sure your piggy bank isn't empty. Okay. Going through here, let's get it all up over here. Up over here. Fetch wallet OG. Single. Okay. So let's look at that line of code here. Checking the piggy bank. First we check to see if it's not empty. Okay, got that part. That's easy. Going through each coin. Now for the special coin of Redland in your piggy bank, we want to find out its value in Candy Shop dollars. We do this by df amount apply. Think of this as taking each coin out one by one. Okay. Then what about that Lambda part? The magic conversion formula. Here's where the Lambda comes in. Think of Lambda as a mini magic spell we're casting on each coin. Ooh, I like that. The spell Lambda amount, that's that. Takes the number of Redland dollars written on the coin amount. Ask your friend for today's exchange rate to Candy Shop dollars. Ask. Okay, that's how you get Candy Shop dollars. And then multiplies the two to get the coin's value in Candy dollars. Okay, that's it. If ask bid mint address. But wait, there's a catch. Sometimes your friend might not know the exchange rate. If they say, I don't know, ask bid token mint address is none. Okay. Or they give you a weird answer like banana, which is not a number, hence not an instance. Okay. String. Else none. I guess, but where does it decide to only do it for the token mint address? I think I'm just gonna have to test this, to be honest. I'm just gonna test it because let's see, where does it say program ID? So that's not it. Oh, if mint address equals token mint address, and got it. So that's where it does that. The lambda I didn't understand last time, and it worked, so that's fine. This is what we asked it, so it's essentially only gonna get it for the token mint address. So if I'm calling get position, then I can try this new thing, because it's really only trying to get it for the token mint address. So if I go ahead here and I say get position, copy paste, MoonDev is the best copy paster in the world. Tap the like for that. Tap the like for the copy paste, man. Okay, so let's go ahead and find one of these Toki tokes. Take a toke of this Toki toke and enjoy the show. Let's go ahead and check out Silly Goose, because Silly Goose is our winner today. Our winner today. Winner, our 100xer. So we're gonna pop Toki toke up in there, and then we're gonna see what's Gucci. See if it worked. See if it does Doug Dizzle. I don't like it. I already don't like it. So we're gonna say here, I should say fetching data. Okay. So get position. That was too slow though. That was too slow, bro. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's going on? What's going on? It's too slow, too slow, too slow. Too slow, too slow. What's going on here? Why did that take so long? Why? Why? What, do you know why? Let me know in the chat why that would take so long. Because it's literally just going into here and it failed right here. And it's not my computer. My computer is trash, but not that trash. We're at 18 out of 24 gigabytes, so we got plenty of RAM. Let's see why that took so long. I don't know why. There it is. Boom. Okay, that's so much faster, dude. That is incredibly faster. Why you be giving away all this alpha every single day? Every single day I come here and I give you so much alpha, and all I ask is you tap the like button. If we get up to 30 likes here, I'm gonna kick it for the full 2 hours and just keep dropping more and more alpha. I just sped up the program like 10x right there. Like 10x. At least 10x. Let's go ahead and try it for another token just to make sure it's robust. Let's just try it with USDC. Come on, give me my USDC. That's a 6. It's a 6 now, so this is different. It's a 6 decimal here. Most of them are 9, so let's see if it breaks. Boom, boy. This is so much faster now. This is crazy. All right, so. All right, what do we do here? What do we do now? I need to update my server to have this. So I understand people don't like me doing this on my server because it's not robust or whatever. I don't know. What did we update here? We updated this in the get positions. Keith, bro, I hate letting Keith down. I hate letting him down, and I feel like I let him down. I feel like I let him down because I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Here, we need to print this and see what it gives us. Because get position. Oh, no. We're changing it in get position. Bro, you are so sick. You are so dope. I can't believe how good you got at this stuff. Like, just a few years back, I was just a degen. Just a degen like the rest of us. But then I set out on this mission to automate my trading, and I figured it out. And now I'm like the sickest coder in the world. Like the sickest coder in the world. So it's going to return this, and that's a integer, and exactly what we want. So every time I call get position now, it's going to do the dirty. So let's grab this data frame here, and let's go to get position in my what you gonna call it? Get def. All right, so I'm changing out the data frame. I changed that line. And then what else do we need to change? Well, we made a new funky funk, dude. I'm sorry my code is getting long, but at least you get to see it all, you know? At least we win together, dude. You know? It's me and you now. We can't let anybody's thoughts get into our mind. This stuff is hard, B. This is hard coding stuff, but you know what the hardest part of this streaming stuff is? To be honest, the hardest part of streaming is like dealing with the negativity. It's really hard, and I'm sure you heard that from like YouTubers and stuff, but I'm like scared. I don't want this to get any bigger, because I gotta keep my mind clean. I gotta keep my mind fresh. And there's some mean people out there. There's some meanies out there. They're bullying me, dog. They're out there bullying me. It's crazy. But it's okay. We don't care because we got bigger goals. We got bigger goals than them. We're headed to this man. I'm gonna put my punk up there. I promise you. It's gonna say Moondev, new owner of Renaissance Technology. I'm about to buy that. I'm about to buy it. I'm gonna show every single step of the way too here on YouTube, really, but in the boot camp you're gonna get short, concise videos showing how to automate your trading, like I have. Like this guy has. Now I'm nowhere close to him, but this is our rabbit. Oh man, if he can do it, I can do it. All right, get position now should be up to date. So I think our program is gonna run quicker now, but the problem is, here, I'll run it. I think it's gonna grab old balances. Yeah, see, it grabbed old balances. So for this is an old balance. So this doesn't run the scanner anymore. Remember, I split it into two. So since I split it into two, it's not running the scanner all the time. So when I stopped this, I had 103 USDC, but then you saw this morning it was down to like $2 or something. So now, oh sorry, I didn't split the scanner. I split the get position out, so it doesn't show new positions anymore. But you can see, I'm not like over here trying to like cap or anything. I have 40 USDC and then 30 of that, and it came out to like 130 or so. I got my wallet right here. But we're gonna keep mobbing, and I feel like that piece is done. So good job you, good job me, good job both of us. We did it, dude. We fixed the problem. I need to think this through though. I need to think this through, because did it fix the problem? It should. Yeah, it will fix the problem. Yeah, it will, because now it's getting the real position every time. I'll keep an eye on it today. I'm gonna actually launch it right now, because we're gonna start working on some other things. We're gonna start working on I want to get connected to Radium. I want to get connected to Radium. Let's make sure to get to 40 likes, and I'll kick it and show you all that stuff as well. We'll go ahead and jump in the chat here for a second and answer any questions or comments. Let's get to the 30 likes, and I will stick around for the full 2 hours today. So that's about 45 more minutes. I know it says we've been here for an hour and a half, but remember the first little bit of time you were chilling. We weren't actually live here. So I would say 45 more minutes if we can get 10 more likes. So please do tap that like button. Let's say fixed. Now we pull single positions every time we buy. Wait, I need to double check this, to be honest. I'm not 100% sure, because if we're buying, let's say market buy, buy. Okay, so then we're going here and we're getting position. And now get position gets this single position. Okay, but what about market sell? So this goes down. You can see I have a ton of sell orders now. That's what I said I wanted to do though. I wanted to delete 2 of them. So then it goes to get position and then fetches the wallet address. Okay, so I actually just essentially disintegrated this. No, I didn't, because I think we also call fetch wallet holdings somewhere else. Disintegrated. I feel like that's a better word than deprecated. We disintegrated it. Yeah, so you can see open positions. So this here, where is this? Open position. And this will go get the open positions. But it will only happen after we fully fill the position. So this fetch wallet balance is actually getting the one that we're running. So I think it's still Gucci, So it's still helpful, because we do need to fetch wallet holdings every once in a while, like at the start of the bot. So we're fetching these wallet holdings from something that is running. So we have another script running, getting the positions at all time, full positions. And then we have our new thing that gets it just for one position. And we need all positions for P&L first. Implementing the rest of the function. Okay, that's not even alive. Okay, I feel good about this. And I'll keep an eye on it right now, actually, because it should be running. Oh, snap. I got an error. Line 959 of scan holdings. 955. Sorry. Wait. TF is not defined. Oh. 955. What? Oh, okay. Scan holding. I'm gonna have to fix that on my other one as well, so we have the same. Ah, I see. Why didn't that happen yesterday though? Oh, maybe that's the error. Okay, well, I made it more efficient anyways. So I had this error that I pretty much had a wrong variable name. And I think that broke my bot yesterday, and that was actually the problem. I think the way we had it set up was fine, but I like this anyways better. It's faster, speedier, and it's more robust. So I just had an error in my scanner, so it wasn't updating the positions. I'm slow. I'm a little slow, but that's okay. All right, so it says our total balance is now 126, down bad. $3.8, 126, got wrecked after a 100x yesterday due to changes in the splitting of script. Okay, that's fine. As long as we have like some money in here to trade with, I don't care. That's all that matters. What day is it? It's Friday? Oh. I'm not a fan of Fridays, but I guess it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna be here tomorrow too, so. Every single day. All right, so let's go ahead here, and I wrote that down. Perfect. Let's go ahead and go to README here. And the bot looks fine on that side. I know you can't see it, but okay, now it's scanning. Wait a minute, that's so weird. Oh no, that's not weird. This is the right one. So I got the sniper, and then I got a sniper position. So I got two scripts now. If you are like, for example, I know FS Trent is building his own stuff as well. He's probably already figured out a different way. He's a smart guy. I saw a huge leap in speed by splitting them apart, as you can imagine, because the get positions, I'll just show you this real quick so you can learn as well, because this was a big leap. It's a big leap for mankind. And nobody else is going to see this stuff except the people that are here on this stream. Because you see, have you noticed my streams aren't being restreamed? Yeah, it's because this stuff is getting crazy, dude, and I want to reward you for being here. So maybe later, but not now. I want to reward the people that are here every single day, because if I share crazy stuff that I find that works for me, then hopefully that ignites your brain. So I don't remember what it was here. Let's go ahead. I have a note somewhere. Get position. It's not this one. Fetch wallet holdings. So you can see now I'm just calling a PD a CSV. And the reason this took so long before is this. It's right here. This is a time suck, my nig. I ask for ask bid every time for every token. So if you remember from a few days back, there would be that lag of like, okay, I gain all positions and there's 82 positions. The thing that I thought it was, I thought this was slow, the soul scan, like pulling from wherever we're pulling from. I thought that was slow, but in reality that was super quick. And I tested that. The hard part, or the slow part, which I couldn't figure out for the longest time because it was using this lambda function, and remember a lambda function is just like a way to call a function. The slow part was this, because it's doing it for 82 tokens, or maybe a little less, but even 40 tokens, because it filters out only size 2 or more. But yeah, this was a huge speed hack. So now I have a bot doing this for all positions, instead of having it run in the actual bot. So it was just slowing down orders so much. I could have used it, I could have had it slower and probably would have saved some cash, but now it should be good. Okay, sick. So I just want to make sure that I have good notes on this. Put in a new function that is just for single positions, and it outputs that single position. Oh, I said I want to chill out on the cells, so let me chill out on those. Let's go back to main with AI here. Market, sell. Okay, I'm just gonna do 3 from now on. But it's like multiple places I did this. Oh snap. This last one needs to be 15 seconds. Let's just delete a couple of these here. 2 of them. So now we're gonna do 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here. Delete 2 of them. I think that was it, but there might be another place. I'm not doing this with the buys. The reason I can do it with the sells is because if I have, for example, 100 of a token, I'm selling 70%, and I don't know if that's right or wrong. Again, it's a Ferrari that I'm just trying to figure out how to drive. So I would then have only 30 left, and if it goes through, because they don't all go through. So if they went through right here, well, these would fail because I'd be trying to sell 70 again, so it'll just fail, and I'll lose a little bit of money on the transaction costs, but I will increase my speed tremendously. That makes sense? So the next thing I think I want to do is build out that Radium, see if we can get that going, because if we build out this Radium, say done here. If we build this out, we can then use our other function that gets tokens even earlier. Now, if you're new here and you're trying to automate your trading, this is how you automate your trading. I'm doing level 250 things now. Like, this is so far past the open, high, low, close, volume trading, algo trading that I've been doing the last couple years here on this channel. And I still am a full believer in the RBI system, and I'm still doing that. This is just taking up some time because this is exciting stuff. And when the lights are on, when music's on, I dance. That's it. Now, if you want to learn how to automate your trading, you can learn it inside the bootcamp. The bootcamp shows you step by step exactly how to automate your trading. I give you a bunch of algos. I give you support. I have short, concise videos. Even if you don't know how to code, I didn't know how to code either before, bro. So you get 7 algos, you get full support, and you don't even have to make a decision today. You can just jump in. If you absolutely hate it for any reason, or it's just not the right time for you, you get your money back instantly. And you can see all the people that have had success with it. And it's super inexpensive. It won't be this inexpensive forever. I'll probably just close it. I'm thinking about closing it here at the end of the month. So jump in while you can, and you can even get the Solana Sniper course where I teach you how to build your own sniper. I'm going to go ahead. Does it check the token on renounced and burned? No, I don't think so, but that's a good idea. And I want to learn more. What does this mean exactly in terms of a Solana sniper bot? Great question, dude. Great question. I love when I get questions that make me think a little bit. Burned, renounced and burned, like making the key not there. When a sniper bot or any trading algorithm considers a token, particularly in the context of cryptocurrencies like Solana blockchain, it might evaluate several factors to determine the token's viability and risk. Renounced and burned are terms related to token management and supply, can significantly impact renounced ownership in the context of cryptocurrency tokens, particularly those that ERC20s tokens, a standard for creating Ethereum, blah, blah, blah. Renouncing ownership refers to the original developers of the token transferring or renouncing their control over the token's smart contract. Nice. Okay, so renounce and burn, thank you, Trent. I think is checked when Bird Eye Security has no owner address value. Thank you, bro. You guys are so dope. I gotta tell you, every single day. I love everybody here. Okay, I got a nice little coffee here, so. A renounced contract could be seen as less likely to manipulate by its creators, reducing the risk of rug pulls. Burn tokens. A bot might analyze the token supply dynamics, including any burns that have occurred or are scheduled. Understanding the token's deflationary mechanisms or any events that could change its supply is crucial for predicting price movement. It doesn't currently. I don't. Maybe it might. I just can't remember. But what is this AIOZ you're talking about, dude? Mr. Duckets? Where can I find it? By the way, I don't know if any of you guys fumbled this bag like I did. I fumbled this bag heavy. I had this in my Discord bot that outputs tokens that are trending here. And this was like a few months ago it was trending. And I bought a bag and then I fumbled it because I was like, this is trash. It has a tax on it. I hate taxes. AIOZ. Market cap 578 million. It's like an AI coin. Up 61%. Wow. Nice. Tell me more about it, bro. Let me know. Let me know. Like, what is your? Are you just like in the price action, or yeah? FS Trent says Keith is how I would do this at old workplace, so I get it. However, all projects have their levels. My project is so slow. I only have my desktop and no remote server currently. The hardest part of streaming is talking unscripted while coding. Takes splitting your mind attention. I could never talk and code a real project like this, even though I could teach code. Dude, I appreciate it. Thanks. I guess that is hard. It comes easy. comes easy to me, I guess. I'm just like thinking out loud kind of, and it's funny because like I'll be at that crib with my girl or something, and she was like, what? I was like, oh, my bad. I was talking out loud because I'm essentially just I'm thinking out loud, and that's how I'm able to stream. I think it does provide a little bit of a distraction, sure, absolutely, and it's not as focused work, but I would rather have less focused work and be able to help more people than, you know, do this just by myself. It's like playing, I grew up playing video games like SOCOM, which was like an early multiplayer online game, shooter game. And I never played single player because it's just not as fun. So I always played online and multiplayer and always had the mic on. So I think that's probably why I can kind of do both, is because I grew up playing tactical shooting games that, you know, you had to be like, hey bro, there's somebody behind that wall, or, you know, I'm gonna loop back, I'm gonna grab the prisoners real quick and throw a smoke, you know. So it's like, it's the same thing. It's the same. We're playing this. It's just a different game. This is a game for adults. I mean, children adults, because we are gambling our life savings on these stupid tokens. But Alive This Card says, hi Moon and everybody. How are you, dude? How are you? Keith asks, do you get gas fees on failed sell transactions? You do, I believe. So let's go ahead and refresh this, see if it's made any orders here. 1 hour ago. Are we working? Let's go ahead and run it. I'm going to see. Yeah, that looks fine. Just hasn't found any new positions to enter. It's scanning right now. I know you can't see it, but that's the unfortunate side of me putting it on the server, I think, is I can't have it running here and there and on the stream, unfortunately. But we can do our testing here. I think what I'm gonna do next is build out that Radium here. So if we get up to 30 likes, I'll show you all the code for the Radium and how I'm building this out. Pretty close. Yeah, my address is literally on the screen. You can see every trade, but it's all good. Like I said, I'll keep riding it out here and dealing with the negativity, because I know it's not, you know, they're just having a bad day. People have bad days and they got to take it out on somebody. So, you know, take it out on somebody that's ahead of them, and that's fine. You know, I understand that. So I'm gonna keep mobbing, and we're gonna go ahead and build out this the rest of this. But I want to dive in. I'm actually gonna go dark for half a second so I can pull my Discord. So I was going here to a certain chat. Oh, I guess I can go back on live because I know I went dark. I was chatting with somebody the other day. Oh, dang. That's what I need to do too. I need to write that down. Here, I'm going to just do that real quick. All right, so we're about to get to the Radium. I know this is taking a little bit of time, but good things take time, right? I just need to find this example that somebody had sent me. I found somebody found something on GitHub and they removed it from GitHub quickly, which is to me exciting, because they didn't want that. They didn't want it up there, dude. So we got some goodies. We got some goodies. We got some goodies nobody wants to share. They took it down from GitHub, but guess what? I got it, dude. I got it quicker, and you know me. I'm gonna share it here. All right, sick. This might kill the stream what I'm doing right now, but we'll see. Clean everything up here for us for this next little set we got going on. All right, let's get it, B. Let's get it. Yo, I actually opened my Discord and got totally distracted. I'm sorry. This is how it goes. I didn't even get what I wanted to get done, but now I'm there, and now we're getting it. It's just how it goes sometimes, dude. All right, let's start coding this, B. Coding out every single line, I don't care. I'm coding out every single line because I want to understand it fully. I don't care. I do not care. Oh, data pull, retrying in 15 seconds. We're getting some errors here on our bot. Huh. Dang. Dang, this is what happened last night too. You can't see it, but data pull was unsuccessful. Why is it fetching wallet OG in this? Okay, we've got an error on our server here. And dang, bro. Because for some reason, why are they both calling it? Okay, so I wish I could show you this stuff. Here, I can show you. So in data pull, it means that fetch wallet OG is being called inside of this. So sorry, we're not getting to the Radium yet, but so main with AI. Fetch wallet holdings OG. Fetch wallet OG. Oh, that's why. Okay, I think this is going to be an easy fix. So okay, so essentially what happened is down here in the bot. Wait a minute. Scan holdings. Main with AI. Fetch wallet OG. Oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. So fetch wallet holdings. I think I can fix this by putting some sleeps in. I know that's not probably the best way to do it, but here of algo trading. I think I got to go back to the old way, the slow way. But it's not going to be as slow now. Yo, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry that we're not doing the Radium yet. I'm really sorry about that. I know I've been saying we're about to do that, and I got the code all teed up here, but now I have this error in my bot, so I gotta fix it because that is #1 priority. The Radium is going to be a nice to have. Okay, so Fetch wallet holdings. Okay, let's check out where this is called. So here it's called open position, and it should be called there. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna change this up a little bit, and it's not gonna be as fast as it was last night, but that speed killed me, so I'm out. Sorry, I gotta do it. I gotta do it to him. Our balance is at 127, that's fine. So this is fetch wallet OG, fetch wallet holdings, and you pass in the OG. So I'm just gonna put the fetch wallet holdings. Everywhere it says fetch wallet holdings, I'm gonna put in it's the OG. And that's good because that's getting the all of them. This gets fetch wallet holdings OG. I actually like this better. I didn't like the whole running two scripts is just confusing. So it's gonna be slower again, but close all positions. Fetch all wallets OG. So we have disintegrated that. Okay, so these are going to be OGs. But then in the buy, market buy. I want it to get position, and then get position, it's going to get it first single. Okay, I like that. So it's going to be in between. It's still way faster than it was a day ago, but it's chilling. It's going to be slower than it was last night. But last night we got licked. So, you know, pick. And now it's running from one script again, I believe. Let's go ahead and try it out. So it's not running on my other computer, so this should work fine. Why is it fetching it for that? Which is a print. Fetching. Oh, that's my address, sorry. That's good. So it's fetching for all addresses. If we tap the like button, I got time, B. I got time. So tap the like button. Let's get up to 30 likes here, and I will continue to go, and hopefully we'll get to that Radium here today. Okay, so you can see our balance is now 125. These are our losing positions, but a couple of them are on the ignore list. Okay, I like this better because now we're doing it from one script. And what I can do now, this is super chill, because now when I'm live with you guys, I can run it from my computer. But then when I'm not live with you guys, I can let my computer rest a little bit. So let me go ahead here and flip out all these .csvs, because that is number one priority. So I got to put it in final sorted. I know you can't see this part, but it's okay. Go ahead and tap the like button because I'm sharing everything. The ups, the downs, the sidewayses. Ready to buy. I'm flipping out the CSV path. I should make this more dynamic here, but your boy is, I should do that. I'll do that next time. token per addy, copy relative path, copy path. So when I change to my server, I have to flip out all the paths because my server has different paths, but I could set this up to be more dynamically. I just haven't yet. So I'll do that next round. Because that's going to be super sick. I'm actually going to do that right now. Copy path. Well, no, this is going to be a lot. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll do that next time I need to. Token ready to buy, or token addy. Ready to buy. Copy path. Buy. I think I have that copied right now. I think we're just about done here with the flippers. Okay, they all look good. But then I gotta do the same thing with TXTs. Yeah, I gotta change this ASAP. Close positioned, copy path. I gotta fix this because this is taking too long, and I know I can just have some code that looks at the path. Like what directory we're in. Jeez, that would save a lot of time. Oh my goodness, another thing I could do is just, nah, I'm gonna do it this way. The other way. I was gonna say I could just set the path name at the top of the thing. There's so many better ways than I'm doing it. I'm manually going through all the .txt's and .csv's in this file. There's a ton of them. It's like 18, I think. I could just set the paths at the top. Ready to buy CSV, that looks good. All right, I think we're Gucci. I'm just gonna try to run the bot here. Let's make sure we're on the right page. All right, let's see if it runs. Yes, it's working over there. And it's working on the left side as well. And I don't think it's made any trades in the last hour. Oh, 22 minutes ago. 22 minutes ago, it bought this. Wojak, cool. And it looks to be working fine on the server. I'm gonna kill the server for now, so they don't collide with each other. Let's go ahead here. It says library, or Trent says library changes 3.12. You see that HFG guy that threw the hate? He's having a bad day. He threw that shade. He left. You know, I answered his hate and he left. He left because he knew there was no grounds behind it. He says I don't share my trades, and matter of fact, I typically don't because I don't want to pitch this as a get rich quick. But since we built this all together, I do show my wallet and my trades on these ones. You can follow it. But he bounced, and it's just kind of proving my point that there's a lot of haters up in here, and it's mostly amazing people like yourself. I'd say 99%. It's just that haters are loud, and I'm a little sensitive, I think. That's what it comes down to. I'm just a little sensy. Oh snap, I shouldn't have left that. I didn't put it. AI. right, that is done. Close that, close all of these mofos. I spent a decade plus being a dope ass entrepreneur, like building businesses, big businesses, big businesses, without knowing how to code. But I know being an entrepreneur, you go through the ebbs and flows. You go through the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, very similar to trading. So when I started trading, it's like, okay, I need to remove the emotions part. And all my friends who were trading as well had the same problem. So it's like, okay, why not just stream this whole process and show absolutely everything? And it's been so great. It's been so great that people that I've been able to help. And the reason I learned to code was because as an entrepreneur, you go through ups and downs, right? And I knew for a fact, and I know for a fact in the future that I will get down bad again. Like that, I've just seen it in the past. It goes up huge, down bad. Up huge, down bad. Up huge, down bad. I mean, obviously it's the chart's looking good, but you up huge, down bad, and it's all relative, right? So my down bad might be like up huge to you. Anyways, I believe code's a great equalizer because I see the power it gave me. Now, like before, when I was running businesses and stuff, I was paying people to develop for me. But guess what? If you're down bad, you have no money to pay people, right? So that's why I've come to this conclusion that code is a great equalizer, because now I learned how to code and now I could get down negative $1 bajillion. But guess what? As long as I got this MacBook here and I know how to code, I could build anything. I can get out of any hole. Always, always, always. So I'm blessed AF, like to be born in a country that is like a good country, you know? Not saying that any other countries are bad, but it's just like we have a lot of privilege out here. So I can only imagine like people that I'm helping, like I don't know, in sub-Saharan Africa that have a laptop for the whole community and now they know how to code. Like they can get their whole community out by learning how to code, and they build something. Maybe it's the algo, maybe it's an app, maybe it's something that takes off. Like that, to me, that's what drives me to keep sharing this stuff, because I know, like I see the people coming to the Discord, and I see what's happening. I see like they send me Discord messages like, oh blah blah blah, I built this and this and now I'm doing this and like that's impactful. So it's like, you know, I'm retired, I've been retired. So like now I just share this stuff here, and sorry for the rant, man. It's just been on my mind lately. Like I will delete the channel someday, and I just know myself. So I'm here for a good time, not a long time, but while I'm here, I will continue to show absolutely everything while I chase this man. I know people that are algo trading hundreds of millions of dollars per day. They didn't share anything with me. They won't give me a tip because it's the most secretive industry in the world. I know people I've shaken hands with people that are right with this guy and they're not telling anything. Not one word, not one strategy, nothing. Not one piece of code, nothing. It's like the most selfish industry in the world, but not in a bad way. Like I get it. You found a strategy that works for you. I'm not going to share that. Okay. And I'm not here like sharing all of my trades and all that, because why would I want to pitch this as a get rich quick to get even more people in here that like take my energy? I just spent like 20 minutes on that rant. I'm like, that's the point. That's the point, B. Let me go ahead and see here. I'm going to put the code in something that's a little more readable, and then we're going to just go ahead and crush this. So I'm going to code out all of this, because the reason being, I don't like to just copy code because I don't understand it then. So I think it would be better for both of us if I I code it out. I have this file that essentially supposedly works, but we'll see. We'll see, dude. And we'll see how it works. And we're going to get all this done. So this is actually from a GitHub that some mofo slid. He took down. Which is pretty cool to me, because that means that he doesn't want it to be seen. And now I'm going to see it. So let's just start coding this out, because it's a lot, honestly. What is this? What happened? Oh my goodness. At the end, huh? I'm gonna get this running again. The reason it happened was because I don't have my try except there. Wait. I think that should be fine. Okay, let's go ahead here and just run it up, B. Run it up, B. Radium.py. Radium.py. Okay, let's go ahead and say from spl.token.instructions import close account and close account params. Okay, so I don't have that. That's crazy. Pip install SPL. So what is SPL? Solana Sigma plug manager. See, maybe I spelled it wrong. I'm actually just gonna import all these after I figure out how to do this. How do I pip install? It's not gonna know. What time is it, by the way? Oh, it's 10:38. I want to see what's happening in the market, because there's always volume around this time. You can see our balance is 133 now. So there's all our positions for our guy. See, BTC is looking solid. ETH is looking quite nice. We might hit 4 today. That'd be awesome. Sol is going crazy this last couple days. We got Tesla or Nvidia going crazy. Tesla doing nothing as usual. Coinbase going crazy. And AMD going crazy. So these are really the big three I look at. It's just, you know, personal bias is what I like to look at. I'm not really trading much at all. I just like to see these three, because I feel like AI crypto does, you know, these kind of follow that. Just a thesis, not 100% correct. And then I like to watch the dog with the hat, because he's got a hat. So that's that. Pip install Solana. That's crazy, because I have Solana installed from SPL. I thought I had Solana installed, right? Yeah. Sick. All right, so it works. Let's just go ahead and let's just copy in these. I'm not about to do all these imports here. I said I was going to type them all out, but I'm not typing out imports. Sorry, Charlie. So we need to go ahead and import these here, but these I don't have yet. Abstract bots. So abstract bots, I had this pulled up on the stream the other day. I don't know if you saw it, but we have pip install abstract bots. So we'll go ahead here, new terminal, collecting. Lamb ports per sol. Lamb ports per sol equals that. I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll say def send. God, wrong. Def send webhook equals unpack the args. Okay, and then we'll print the args. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna set my bot. I'm gonna turn it on live on my other or my server, because right now we're gonna be testing all this stuff out. So I want to make sure it's always going, always running for us. And then we're gonna hit def by Solana client token to swap by payer token infos, and then toke info equals just oh, I like these names already. I like this guy. I need to meet this guy. He's funny to me. Okay. AI, get out of here, B. So you have to hit escape right there. Token symbol sol. What the fudge, bro? His naming schemes are dirty. Toke inf. Then we're gonna say in the base token, and then we're gonna say symbol, and then toke inf. He's obviously a toker, a midnight toker. Quote token, passing that in the symbol. Let's say mint equals pub key dot from string say pool keys equals get pool keys info. Almost. Get liquidity pool address, actually. If pool keys equals failed, send webhook of f equals by pool error for the token symbol. This is interesting. So I'll put that comma there. I you know, part of me likes looking at other people's code because I learned stuff, but the copy paste ain't the way. Pool key not found. Okay. Damn. If pool keys equals failed, okay, that looks Gucci. Return failed. Dweeb. Then we want to calculate amount. So amount in equals int of amount times Lamport Sol. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to change this because maybe need to change this because it's looking like this bot is on Sol, or is using Sol as base, and we want to use USDC. Okay, so slippage equals that Lamport's amount equals amount times Lamport Sol. And it's going to be super easy to change this. I like how it's written. It's going to be Lamports per USDC later. Just want to get all of the code here, and then we can test it, and then we can make our own changes. Lamports AM minus Lamports AM times slippage. Yeah, that's it. Good job, shorty. Amount in equals 1. TXN bool equals true. And then while TXN bool gets program print 1 get token. It's actually a really long code, really long. Get token. I can't believe how long this is to make a buy on Radium, but I think it's going to be helpful. Account program ID equals token infos. Ah, fudge! I forgot to get mother effing spinach today. Can't have my smoothie. I gotta go all the way down to the store. I'm just kidding. It's pretty close, so it's all good. We good. We good. I went to the gym this morning and I could have got the spinach for my smoothie, and then I didn't. I forgot. I was so excited to get over here and share it with you guys. But now I'm sad. I'm sad because I get bullied and I let them bully me. I let them get to me. I let the people get to me. And I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed that you could see like the emotions coming out, right? Like I just went on a 20-minute rant about some random person I literally don't know saying some comment that's so dumb. Moondev, get a life, bro. Get a life, Moondev. Who cares about random people? I do, though, is the thing. I care. That's why I care. I care about everybody, and it just hurts my soul when people say that I suck and what I'm doing is not worth their time. But again, I shouldn't care. I shouldn't care, but I do. And that's why I decided to automate my trading, because, you know, if you care about little stuff like that, you're kind of emotional. And then if you're trading the size that I trade, you know, you don't want to fumble generational wealth because you are emotional. So that's why I set out on this journey. I feel like I've shown enough, though. I feel like I've shown enough. So if I do sketch bounce and you don't see any more videos from me, like I just stop posting or I even delete the account, which I feel like would be more dramatic and more like what I've been saying, because I've been saying this for years now. I've been here for what, 2 years, showing absolutely everything along this way. And I've been saying that someday I'm gonna go dark, and I will go dark. And I just think it'll be just so right for the industry. This is the most secretive industry in the world. So if I just went dark and deleted all my videos, it'd be like, oh, you missed your chance. There was this guy one time named Moondev, and he literally showed everything. He showed all of the code, everything, in order to build pretty much any bot. I've shown you how to build automated trading bots here on this channel for pretty much any exchange, because at the start we were using CCXT. CCXT actually connects to pretty much every exchange in the world of crypto exchange. So I showed that for the first few months, and then I showed how to get to decentralized exchanges, because FTX happened and we don't want that to happen again. And now, like, oh, man, we're on Jupiter. So those are perp dexes, you know, DYDX, Hyperliquid. I showed all that, I built all that here live. But boy, now I'm showing MEV stuff. But I'm over here crying over one comment. Like, grow up, dog. Moondev. Who cares? Who cares? I guess I care. That's why my energy is different now. It's really so stupid. It's so stupid. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe I let that change my day. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. I guess it's something to take into account. I think most people understand that YouTubers, which I guess I am now, are real people. Just keep that in account next time that you're about to say something negative to a YouTuber. You know, they're real people, and some of them aren't good with the negativity. Like myself, yeah, maybe I'm just a little whatever. I'm up here crying about a comment. Cringe. I need to be done for the day and come back with a better attitude, because obviously my attitude is not up to par right now, and I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that, because I know most of you are like my brothers and sisters, because if you're here this deep, what are we, 3 hours in, then I know like we kick it in real life, and maybe someday we will. That'd be awesome. Curious to meet like who is interested in this stuff, because we're crazy we're like crypto people, but also like intellectually smarter than, like, we're trying to do this the right way. We don't want to just like degen too hard. We degen, sure, It's okay to be a degen, but like trying to get an edge on the degens is where I feel like algo traders are, because you got people that live and die by trading. It's crazy. They literally trade for a living even though they don't even know their strategy works, and they keep seeing that their emotions get in the way. So at least we are on that path. Token core underscore create wrapped native accounts args. This is a token program ID. So we're building out this Radium connection right now, just in case you're new here. Token program ID. Then we'll say payer.pub key. And then we'll say payer and then amount in. Oh, there was actually more. But there's more. False balance needed. Commitment confirmed. Okay, I like that actually. Wraps, create wrap soul instructions. Get mint. This is way more intense. Way more intense. So now we need to create swap instructions. Instructions swap equals make swap instruction. We'll say 1 here. Do this a little cuter for you fellas. Pool keys, and then token infos, token 0, and then mint. And then here we'll say Solana client, then payer. All right, so it's looking pretty good. Just 100 more lines of code. Just 100 more lines of code. So, not actually 100 lines, but we have about 70 more lines. And for this part, let's create swap instructions, okay? And then we're gonna say print 5, create close account instructions, params equals close account params, the account equals wrapped soul, destination equals payer dot pub key. Sheesh. And then owner equals payer dot pub key as well. Program ID equals token program ID. Sick. And then close account equals close account params. I made a commitment to share everything along the way, and I'm gonna keep going. Today's been a different day for me. But I'm gonna keep going. F it. wonder if they got this YouTube. Delonte